Let's look at this case. A 62-year-old woman is diagnosed with non-small cell lung cancer after evaluation of tonic cough, weight loss and breathlessness. She is prescribed an oral targeted anti-cancer drug that blocks receptor tyrosine kinase activity and is commonly used in non-small cell lung cancer. Which drug has most likely been prescribed? The options are A. Imatinib, B. Erlotinib, C. Rituximab, D. Bevacizumab. Guess the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Erlotinib. How does erlotinib work? It is an epidermal growth factor receptor tyrosine kinase inhibitor used in the treatment of selected patients with non-small cell lung cancer. It blocks epidermal growth factor receptor mediated signaling pathways, thereby inhibiting tumor growth and proliferation. Why the other options are incorrect? Imatinib is primarily used in chronic myeloid leukemia and gastrointestinal stromal tumors. What about rituximab? It is an anti-CD20 monoclonal antibody used in B-cell lymphomas and autoimmune disorders. Bevacizumab is an anti-vascular endothelial growth factor monoclonal antibody but not an epidermal growth factor tyrosine kinase inhibitor. So the correct answer is B. Erlotinib.